Namaste, Adab, very good life to you. I am Dr. Kanchan Gupta. Today I want to give 100% knowledge about the gums secreted in stems and branches of plants. All the gums have same effect in our body to cure hundreds of diseases. First of all, Boswellia serrata loban, which contains boswellic acid and nephthalene. The Boswellia serrata, called Holoptelia integrifolia, the chilbill, Indian elm, the jungle cork tree called Commiphora mucul, the cudweed Saligugul, camphor mochus derived from Bombyx the gum plant called tarweed, the bearsweed, mountain balm from borage family is called Aerodictyon glutinosum, also called as Yerba Santa, means holy herb in Spanish. All other types of gums derived from all the trees by bruised bark flow and get collected. These all gums are aromatic, used in spiritual rituals to burn the fume aroma of these gums, treat stress, anxiety, depression, sadness. Its essential oils are used in aromatherapy to calm the mind. Today again I am presenting my lecture to educate Ayurveda students, Unani, Chinese and homeopathic students. In homeopathy, Gukul is nephthalene. Any kind of medicine made by gums have same curing effects. So today you are learning about so many medicines which have same effect. These all gum producing trees grow up to 40 meters in height. They grow in mountain ranges. Golden Gukul grows in Himalayan range in Jammu and Kashmir. Golden Gukul is one of the best variety of Gukul. All gums derived from even cassia babul give strength to our bones and treat the diseases of our whole skeletal system, to treat osteoporosis, brittle bones, osteopenia, fractures, osteomalacia, rheumatism, gout, arthritis. In India, babul gond, the gum derived from cassia, are used to make laddus to feed the female at postpartum stage, to heal her reproductive system, to give strength to her bones. All gums cure joint pains, inflammations of bones, stiffness of joints, bone decay, the degenerative disorders of our muscles, bones, backache, lumbago. All gums are anti-cancer. Boswellic acid present in Boswellia serrata, the loban. All the resins derived from trees are anti-cancer, anti-tumor, are used as remedies to cure cancer, bearing bioactive flavonoids. The Iridactyol and sterubin present in mountain balm and resins in all the trees cure tumors, cancer, malignancy, fibroids, cysts, warts, to inhibit the cancer growth by preventing certain enzymes from negatively affecting DNA. These remedies fight with breast cancer, leukemia, pancreatic cancer cells, brain tumor, and so on by limiting the spread of malignant tumors, Loban, Nephelium, and other gums, kills and reduces the growth of cancer cells by decreasing angiogenesis. All gums are wound healing. Black and red gum powder is sprinkled on gangrene wounds in Ayurveda. The branded pharmaceuticals are serving since hundreds of years by making Yograj Gokul to cure skeletal diseases, nerve diseases, neuralgia, sciatica, numbness. These resins act on our respiratory system to cure bronchitis, tuberculosis, asthma, allergies, prostatitis. All the gum-bearing plants contain Styrex resin, the balsamic aromatic benzoin. They all belong to Styrex genus. The flowing gum resin is solidified into lumps and powder. These powders are easily available in market. All the gums act on our nervous system and cerebrospinal system to cure nerve diseases. Nephelium, the gukul in homeopathy, cures nerve diseases and neuralgias. All the gums cure skin diseases such as acne, puberty boils, scars, freckles, pigmentation, eczema, rashes, and all kinds of skin blemishes. All the gums are used to make incenses to enhance spiritual vibes all around, to remove negative energy. All the gums are antifungal, antimicrobial, anti-aging, disinfectants, antibacterial, antiseptic, expectorant, anti-inflammatory, analgesic, anti-tumor, anti-cancer. All the gums act on our digestive system to cure digestive issues, acidity, heartburn, irritable bowel syndrome, stomach ulcers, inflammation of food pipe, and diarrhea. All gums treat our respiratory issues such as bronchitis, difficult breathing, influenza, fevers, tuberculosis, catarrh, coryza, sneezing, wheezing, sharp pain in lungs, cough, asthma. All gums are meant to strengthen our cardiac muscles and liver by lowering the LDL bad cholesterol level, reducing oxidative stress, and improving blood circulation. Being neuroprotective, these are meant to treat dementia and Alzheimer's. The leaves of each gum plant are heated and applied on bruised, wounded skin, on sprains, insect bites, rheumatic and area of pains at joints. The black gum with turmeric powder is now used in hospitals to apply on wounds after surgery. Gums promote saliva production. Gums treat obesity, dizziness, sense of intoxication, ache at the base of cranium, pressure on head, heavy pain at back of head and eyes, occipital pain, sprains. The black gum remained the content of a famous balm called Iodex. The heated paste of black gum is applied on very painful area, the sprained part of our body after getting injury, and so on. Today you have learned about so many medicines and their same effect on our system. I am preparing my lectures for all the practitioners in field of Ayurveda, Unani, homeopathy, Chinese, Tibetan and so on in English and Hindi. Please subscribe and share my channel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you.